Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. And I am showing you, I am, by the way, Paula by Paper Crafts by PRB. And I am showing you a one-page wonder. It'll probably be the easiest one-page wonder you've ever done. It's single-sided paper, and it only has 3 pieces of paper to it, 3 pieces of cardstock. All right, so here's the front. You open it up, you have a pocket right here. Okay, I just put a journaling card in there. Okay, right here I've made a little flip up. Has a little bit more journaling space right there. You can journal on the back. All right, this area I just left blank. You obviously can add some more journaling. You can add pictures. Okay, there's another pocket right here. I put a journaling card in there. Okay, you open it up. Some more space for pictures, writing spot. I just left this spot blank. And then there's a top loading pocket right here. I was going to mention, which I forgot, so I will mention now. This was a video that I did at the very beginning of my YouTube. So it was probably a couple years ago, but the quality of the video was really bad. So I thought that I would redo it. All right, so basically I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm not going to decorate the one I'm going to show you how to make, but obviously it's easy to decorate. You can do whatever you need to do to decorate it. So you need 3 pieces. I'm using cardstock. Again, it is single-sided. Okay, so you need 3 pieces, and they're going to be 9 by 6. Okay, so you're going to want to determine, so 6 by 9, you're going to want to determine which one you want to be the front, okay, and which one you want to be the back. So I'll have this one be my cover. Well, let's see here. Well, you know what, both of those are upside down if I made this my cover. So let's make this my cover. Okay, so all you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this one right in half. Your cover piece, just fold in half. Okay. There's that. Okay, and then your 2 inside pieces, okay, you're gonna fold in half, okay, but you're gonna go opposite. So you're gonna fold it with the patterned side on the inside, okay? So easy so far, right? Okay, I'm gonna do the same with this one. You're just gonna fold those right in half, okay? So you're gonna wanna determine which one you want to go in here first. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this one this way, and we're gonna go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a notch here on the side. So here's my cover. Okay, you're gonna open it up and you're gonna put one of those others that we folded in half. You're just gonna put it right here, okay? So I'm turning this over to the side a little bit, and I'm just gonna thumb notch that. If you want to do thumb notch at the top, in the middle, you can do thumb notch wherever you want. Okay, and I am going to ink up that inside just a little bit so it's not so plain. You can ink up everywhere if you'd like. Okay, so that's going to go just like that. All right, so from here, I'm going to set that aside. Okay, all you're going to do is you're going to open this up, and we're going to create a pocket right here, okay? So we're going to glue here, here, and here, okay? So I'm going to do that right now. Like I said, this is super, super simple. The only difficult part is just trying to line it all up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the glue going here. Okay. Okay. So I like to bring mine up to get it to line up really good. Okay, there we go. Okay, press that down a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna bring in the second piece. Okay, so this is the second piece that we folded. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead, you're gonna put it in between here, just like this, okay? So then this is gonna be the other side tuck pocket, and this is gonna be the top loading pocket. Okay, so let's do this side pocket right here. So you're just gonna line that up again. Okay, and I'm gonna put a thumb notch on this one. I'm gonna put a thumb notch on this side. Okay, so again, you can put it at the top, you can put it at the bottom, you put it wherever you want. Okay, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing. We're gonna line that up. First of all, I'm gonna ink that so I don't have quite a bare spot right there where my thumb notch is. Okay, so now we're just gonna line that up and we're gonna do exactly the same thing. So I'm gonna open that up, go like that. And we're gonna glue around these edges. We're gonna make another side pocket. Right? So again, I'm gonna lift that up. I'll line it up the best I can. Okay, there we go. See how easy that is? Okay, so there's the front. There's that inside. There's that one. You can kind of see the pocket right there. And it doesn't look like I got that. So sometimes I do have to trim that up just a little bit. But I will do that after we get completely done. Okay, now this one is the top loading pocket. So the back page that we have not glued yet is the top loading pocket. All right, ink that up a little bit. Okay, and then for this back one, we're gonna glue here, here, and here. Okay, so we're just gonna go like this, and like that. Okay, see, I told you it was easy, right? Okay, now again, like I said, sometimes it doesn't line up very good, so I am gonna trim that up a little bit. You could also ink it. Okay, but that was pretty easy, right? Okay, so the front, again, here's the front. All right, let's see if I can find I can put these things in here. Okay, so here's the front. Open it up. You have this side pocket right here. Okay, just like that. You can decorate this however you want. Okay, you open this one up and you have another side pocket right here. Okay, so this one's now upside down. I don't know why that just happened. Well, you know what, I don't know. Maybe I put you know what I did? I put the thumb notch on this side. So, I mean, you can do either side, right? Okay, so there's that. On the first one, as you can see, I put the thumb notch there. I put them so that they matched on the same side. One here and one here. I put one here, okay, and I put one here. Whereas on this one, I put one here, and then I flip the page and I put one here. So you can do either way, obviously. And then on the back side, you have the top loading pocket. All right, so that's how easy that is to put together with just 3 pieces of single-sided cardstock. All right, if you like that video, could you give it a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next video, thank you very much.